In this video, I want to talk to you about the Necchi Q132A. This is the mechanical quilter model. The Q132A has a lot of features on it for a great price. It comes with a lot of accessories as well. So let's take a look at a brief overview of this machine. The Q132A is going to give me 32 sewing and utility stitches. Of those stitches, we'll have those on the website. I've got utility stitches, garment construction stitches, quilting stitches, all built in. This machine has the one-step buttonhole maker built in. It does come with the one-step buttonhole foot. It's very easy to operate. So here I have my top winding bobbin for winding all my bobbins. I will have the top drop-in bobbin system on this machine. I can see my bobbin at any given time. I will have the horizontal spool pin, and all my guides are going to be easily marked for me so I can thread the machine with no problem whatsoever. This is a great machine for a beginner, even an advanced sewer. It's going to have all the nice features on it. I've got channel threading all the way down to my needle. The channel helps me get my thread in the tension system, which is right here. I can easily adjust my tension, but you're really going to have to do that on this particular machine. It's not a finicky tension whatsoever. I will have the channel all the way down to the needle, and I have the built-in needle threader on the machine for threading my needle. On the front of the machine, I will have my dials here for my stitch length. This is also gets me into the different modes of the machine. On the front, I have pictures of the stitches, and then we have another row of different colors of stitches. So I make sure that I have it in the correct mode for the stitches that I want to do. Here's where I adjust my stitch length, and here's where I adjust my stitch width. Now another thing you can do with the 132A, if you want to put in zippers, cording, piping, if you need to get your needle closer to something, I can easily adjust my width button, and it's going to move my needle over. So if I need to get right up against a metal zipper, some cording or piping, there's a lot of presser feet that will come with it. But Ken Sewing Center carries everything that's made for all the Necchi models. We carry all the parts and all the accessories. The 132A is going to have the metal bed on top. This is really a slick finish, so if you're doing free motion work, your fabric is not going to hang anywhere. And if you have a larger piece of material like a quilt, a dress, drapes, anything like that, you will get the extension table. And the extension table is made to fit right around this machine. I just remove this. Then all I'm able to do is it's made specifically for this model. I can slide it right around, pop it right in place, and now I'm ready to go. It's got the leveling legs on it. It has the ruler on top, so I can use that to help me keep my fabric straight if I need to measure something. On my needle plate, there are markings on the needle plate as well if you want to get a certain seam allowance, but because this bed is metal, there are magnetic seam guides you can get that'll really help you for that as well. Because the bed is metal, you can get magnetic seam guides to help you keep your fabric straight as well. Here's my reverse button for doing my back tacks. The machine's going to be really easy for me to operate, so there's no problem whatsoever. But if you have questions, you can always pick up the phone, be sitting in front of your machine and give us a call. If you have questions, you can pick up the phone and give us a call. Just be sitting in front of your machine. We have trained technicians at our store 6 days a week to help you. We also answer emails all the time, and maybe you just need a quick email. Feel free to touch base with us because we're glad to help you with any machine you purchase from us. Now, we carry all the Necchi models. If you need us to compare this model to another model in the Necchi line to help you find the right machine for you, don't hesitate to touch base with us. The 132A is made out of good quality working components. It's got a nice size motor in it. Now, several things about this machine that makes it one you want to definitely take a look at is the durability. One, I can raise my presser foot up a little bit higher. I've got a 7-point feed dog system. It's touching my fabric in 7 places. So I can get garments like up to 8 layers of denim underneath the foot with no problem whatsoever. If I need to sew down to sheer materials, because I've got that 7-point feed dog system, it's going to make it really easy about the machine feeding that lighter weight material. I do have adjustable pressure, which is right here. I can back the amount of pressure being pressed down onto my material, or if I need to make it stronger, I can do that as well. You will get the electronic foot control that comes with it, just like on your car. The faster I sew or the harder I press, the faster the machine's going to sew. And because I've got that top drop-in bobbin, I'm able to crawl down onto material, up and over material. I can back the speed down if I need to speed it up. Really, once you get used to that, you're going to be able to easily operate this machine whatsoever. It's no problem for you. And I can hit my reverse here to back tack. Then I can just easily raise my presser foot up. I've got a little razor here on the side of the machine for trimming out my threads. And I've sewn 8 layers of denim with no problem. I'm not adjusting any tensions to a cotton, to a stretch material, Don't have to worry about changing tension. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Necchi dealer. We carry all models, all parts, and all accessories for every Necchi model. Plus, all my technicians are factory trained to help you with any problem you have. If you need help picking out the right accessory for the project you're doing and you want to make sure it's compatible with your Necchi machine, all you have to do is give us a call. We have a lot more information on this machine and all the Necchi models on our website. If you need help, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email anytime. We'll be glad to help you.